only got a Super 10 on it.
It's here.
With the 5-inch tips.
Might as well hear. Well, we got the mic going. I like the exhaust the way it is right now. It's pretty legit.
Yeah, I haven't decided if I'm going to do the side pipes or if I'm going to come back here again.
Yeah.
And if I do come to the back, he's going to do a true dual exhaust.
Yeah, yeah.
Because I don't like how the Rams are, where it goes from the 2 to 1.
Yeah.
And then 2 out to...
Just straight up. Straight up.
But she's loud.
Uh-oh. Challenger has appeared.
Oh, now everybody.
Uh-oh.
I wonder if I would get
Probably.
I wouldn't be doing it. It's not a regular meeting place, so we don't need to get kicked out.
Yeah, but the only thing is, I don't have a Magnum, so I just have to show up. I just yeah, we don't know that guy. He's got a red black truck.
Badass truck.
It is, eh? It's got some crazy unique decals, like that skull at the back.
Oh, it's incredible.